Antigua Sailing Week is considered serious sailing, but once you're off the water you've got to look at the relaxation. And we're trying this year to introduce all the sailors to the cultural side and the fun side of Antigua. We've tried to put together a wider onshore program than we've had in previous years. We've bridged the gap between the sailors on one side and the local people, and we brought everyone together to have a fun week.
As the sun shines on this island jewel, two boats are battling in cruising classes 1 and 2 for glory and for gold.
Arcadia is a Freres one-off cat catch that Ramon Freres and I designed 30 years ago. Well, we're all essentially from New Orleans, and some of us have been kind of spread out after hurricanes and other things. But we all lived and worked in New Orleans all our lives, and been sailing down here for about 45, 50 years, I guess.
Acadia is top dog in Cruising 1, while Sunbeat 4 has won all races in Cruising 2 so far.
Sunbeat is a French production boat, straight off the production line. It's fitted out for cruising with generators and water makers and all the other luxuries. And as you'll see later from the crew, none of us are particularly young anymore.
I think the average age of the crew is about 65. And I think since we've all been sailing since we're about 6, I think we know pretty much what to do and how to do it. We don't try not to make too many mistakes, although we still make mistakes like everyone else.
At stake is this rather special watch from German jewellers Leinfelder, specially designed for Antigua Sailing Week and worth $30,000 for the best scoring cruising boat.
I guess that's to remind us of the time, our old age.
No water, guys. No water.
Round the top mark, the two contenders in the cruising classes clashed in a classic hunt them down scenario.
You're bearing away. Look at your telltales. You didn't hold your course. You bore away.
In the protest tent, Acadia managed to land a 40% penalty on Sunbeat 4, a crafty move by the good old boys from Louisiana, which leaves everything to play for on the final day.
Be cool.